Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day, where I'm just going to be preparing quick, simple, easy meals, because if you are like me, I just don't have the energy to go through all that admin to prepare a meal to eat. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. I do want to state though that I am involved. I am, trying to get back into intermittent fasting. And intermittent fasting, for those who do not know, is basically when you have like a time frame in which you are able to eat, and then you have another time frame where you are fasting, where you are not taking in any food, just water, and then I think like black coffee, that type of stuff. But it all differs. But I will leave an article down below in the description box if you guys are interested to know more. I want to also state that I don't eat these meals every single day, because sometimes it gets boring, but sometimes I just don't have energy for it. So yeah, right now I'm just preparing oatmeal with banana, honey, chia seeds, peanut butter. I mean, you guys are watching with me, so you know what's going in. But yeah, I just wanted to switch it up because I just felt like my meals were getting boring. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys at the end. Okay guys, so I cannot leave the star of the show out. I can legit not eat food, but if I have iced coffee, I'm grand, I'm good, I'm happy. So here you just see me thinking that I am a Starbucks barista, trying to be fancy, even though it's not that fancy. But yeah, I really enjoy making my own iced coffee at home. Yes, it does not taste the same as like store-bought, but I made it my own and I like it, so that's what matters. Enjoy. Lucy. Okay, here we're having lunch now. On this day, I really couldn't figure out what I wanted to eat. I think all the fancy, delicious, fun meals that I had in mind, I just didn't have the energy to do it. So I went for my go-to toast and eggs. And as you saw, I was supposed to put in garlic. I didn't actually, but I like to add garlic and red pepper now in my eggs because I just feel like it elevates eggs. It may not look cute, but it tastes beautiful. The red pepper brings in a bit of sweetness to balance out the saltiness. Okay, guys, I'm back. You won't hear my voice again, but we are having dinner right now, obviously. And I just want to disclaim, before you judge my cooking, all right? I know that it looks like it's burnt. It's not. Okay, well, like not right now, but soon you'll see that it may look burnt, but it's not burnt. But also, what if I wanted it to be that way? Just think about it that way. Honestly, in future, I just need to stop cooking with high heat. I don't know who I think I am. I think I'm Chef Ramsay, because I cook on high heat. It's on 5. And then I was struggling to open up the garlic. So now everything else started to burn. And then I forgot to put the pan down. And then the spices started burning. It's a lot. But at the end of the day, if my food tastes good and if I didn't die, then that is mission accomplished. I just had to put it out there. Anyways, enjoy.
gonna have this, just one. Just for something sweet.
And that is it, you guys, for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.